bathtub with the pet tarantula.
Sorry about that, I was watching a video.
Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for
Another tornado warning from Boston.
in southeastern Massachusetts until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:26 p.m. Eastern
Look.
Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is near Barnstable, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous. Shelter.
There's a squirrel.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Yarmouth and Dennis around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Brewster around 6:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hyannis.
And as per usual, today I am joined by And today I am joined by well, I guess I'll say his name for him. Dirt Car Fan 2002, aka the Butt Powder Lover, aka the Big Smiley Fan!